আমাকে আমার মতো থাকতে দাও, আমি নিজেকে নিজের মতো গুছিয়ে নিয়েছি।
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel Tech Hunter. Today I'm gonna show you how to compose a cover song professionally in Mixcraft Pro Studio 7. I have already uploaded a tutorial on Audacity. It was a free digital music composing software. But today I'm gonna explain about a paid software. Mixcraft Pro Studio 7 is a professional music composing software, but software is not enough for cover a song professionally. Therefore you need some hardware also, like microphone, sound card, pop filter, and many other things which are important for recording. I have not a good microphone and I'm not a professional singer, so I'm just explaining about the basic process of music composing. Hopefully it will be very helpful for beginners. So let's get started. After install it properly, just open your Mixcraft Pro Studio 7. Here you will see a pop-up menu. Here you can change the basic settings as like audio tracks, instrument tracks. Today I will cover with a karaoke, so it is not important for me. I will discuss about it in the next tutorial. Here you can also change tempo or BPM ratio of your song. If you don't know about your song BPM or key, then you can search for it in Google. After complete all settings, just click on OK. As you can see here, a track added in my canvas. So as we want to cover a song with karaoke, we need another track. So to add a new track, click on here track in the corner. Click on insert audio track. And as you can see here, another track added in my canvas. Now just put your karaoke on the first track. I have already downloaded a karaoke, so I'm just pull it on Mixcraft, then drop it here. Now we have to record our vocal, and it should be perfect with karaoke. Before start your recording, select your microphone, and here select left channel. That's it. Now we can record our vocal in this track. For start recording, you can click on this red icon, otherwise you can press space key from keyboard. Now I'm gonna record a sample. I just mute the sound because I can't use up to 30% as the fair use. Okay, my recording is complete. Now we can listen its preview.
আমাকে আমার মতো থাকতে দাও, আমি নিজেকে নিজের মতো গুছিয়ে নিয়েছি। আমাকে আমার মতো থাকতে দাও, আমি নিজেকে নিজের মতো গুছিয়ে নিয়েছি। যেটা ছিল না সেটা না পাওয়াই থাক।
Okay, it's perfect. Now we can use some effects. Here you will get an option effects. Click on it. And a pop-up window open here. Here you can use multiple effects. So to add your first effect, click here select an effect. Then we will use first effect acoustic compression. After add this effect, you can custom its settings. If you play your music in the background, then it will easy to custom settings for you. So I'm gonna play it. I think default settings match with my voice. So I'm just close this tab. Now I will use another effect. So again click on select an effect, and here find out TB parametric equalizer. Okay, here is my TB parametric equalizer. Click on it and then click on edit. Okay, here we have to custom these settings. So before it, we can play our music in background. It's just like before. Okay, you will get some pointer here. Drag down first one. It will clear your voice. You should look at the frequency when you drag down it. It should be more than 100 Hz. Not like that, these settings work for everyone. After all, it's depend on your voice. So try to match it with your voice to get a good quality. Now number 6, it will increase some bass. Okay, that's perfect. Then number 4, number 5, okay, I think it's good for my voice, so I'm gonna close this tab. And now we will use reverb. It's very important for make sound cool. Okay, as a beginner we will use acoustic reverb. Then go to edit. And here try to use reverb less than 70%. It will be better for a song. Okay, I think it's perfect. So I'm just close this tab. Okay, now add classic delay. Then go to edit. And here enable ping and pong. And decrease output measurement. Okay, I think it's good for me. So I'm just close this tab. Okay, now you can also use polytonic tube. It will make your sound lighter. Go to edit and here select clean HF boost. Okay, now I'm gonna play this song. I think it's destroyed the voice quality and it's not perfect for my voice. So I'm gonna remove this effect. Now full and final effect, auto-tune. You have to add this effect as a third-party plugins. I have already uploaded a tutorial how to add auto-tune as a third-party plugins. You will get links in my video description box. Hopefully you can add these plugins. Otherwise, if you have any problem to add these plugins, you can comment in this video. I will try to help you. So just open auto-tune. Then go to edit. Here select input type auto-tuner and tracking measurement 70. Now main thing is scale key selection. I told it before, if you want to use auto-tune properly, then you should knowledge on music instrument. Otherwise you can find out the key but it won't be proper. I have already uploaded a tutorial on it. You will get its link in my video description box. Okay, shortly I'm gonna explain it again. Increase return speed and decrease humanize. Then check all keys one by one and try to find out which one provide you best quality. Believe me, there are no any other way to find out scale key of a song if you have not knowledge on music instrument. Okay, I think it's good for my song. Now adjust some return speed or humanize, because if you use it too much, then your sound heard like robotic. Okay, that's good. So I'm just close this tab. Now if I play this song, here music sound more than vocal, so we have to decrease music sound. That's for go to mixer. Then adjust the sound. Here first track is music, so I'm gonna decrease its sound. Here as you can see 3 level of sound, green, yellow or red. Try to use under of red. It will help you to get a good quality. Okay, our project is ready. Now I'm gonna play it. Hopefully you can realize difference between after and before. I'm sorry for I can't play this song because of some copyright issues. If you want to watch this sample, you will get its link in my video description box. I get a notice from YouTube for remove this song, so I just mute this sound. Again, I want to say sorry because I can't do anything in this case. Okay, now we will save our project. But before it, as I don't cover the full song, I'm just cut out the extra part of karaoke. Just click on the track and press Ctrl T. Then select this part and press on delete. Now go to file. Then save as. Here you can type your song title. And I will suggest you to save it WAV format because it provides best quality. Here you can also use MP3 format. Then click on save. It will open with a player and it's exported successfully. So that is how you can cover a song quickly. Next tutorial I will try to explain in details. Hopefully it will be very helpful for you. To get more of this type of videos, don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, share. Thanks a lot for watching. Subscribe our channel and press the bell icon. Never miss an update from Tech Hunter.